Hey peaches, what is up? Today I am going to show you guys everything I got for my birthday. I asked you guys on Instagram if this was something you were interested in seeing, like are these videos still even a thing? And you guys overwhelmingly were like, yes, we want to see and know girl. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys what I got for my birthday, but also just throw in a few things that I've gotten myself recently. Ooh, I just remembered one I forgot. I feel like October, I always spend too much. That's just like my month to spend all of the money, and this year was apparently no different. So I bought myself some stuff I wanted to show you guys and talk about, and then I am going to show you what I got for my birthday. Let me go get the one thing I forgot from the kitchen though. And also, this was one of the things I got for my birthday from Dustin. It's a Savannah mug, because you guys may know about me. I have a serious mug collecting addiction. In order to show you guys, I figured I would just make a salted caramel hot chocolate. And that's why I'm having a hot chocolate at 4 p.m. to show you guys the mug. Also, there's balloons on the floor. My future sister-in-law stayed the night with me on my birthday, and she put balloons everywhere for me to wake up to, which was so sweet, and I just haven't wanted to get rid of them yet. So let's start with what I got for my birthday from other people. Dustin got me the mug, and then he found this super cute Animal Crossing hat. I don't know if you guys can see all the little characters on there. I am Animal Crossing obsessed. This is from it's from Nintendo, but it's from a store in Savannah called Planet Fun that we love to go into. And he sent me a picture of it. I was like, would you want this? So I was like, definitely I would. Super cute. And to kind of go along with this theme, can I just say I really thought I was doing something and keeping a big secret from you guys. And then I realized literally like 2 days ago, I already posted this on my Instagram. But I told Dustin, it was like the end of September, right at the beginning of October. Just trying to make sure September comes before October. I was like, I really want to go get a Nintendo Switch, I think. Like a Nintendo Switch Lite. Dustin has a Nintendo Switch, like the Mega Mama Jamma, which I don't think, is there another name for that? It's just called a Switch. So I was like, I really want to get a Nintendo Switch Lite. I really want to get Animal Crossing, and so on and so forth. Literally by October the 7th, we had already gotten this, and I was like, birthday's done. Doesn't even matter. So the more I was talking about it with Dustin, he was like, basically like not trying to talk me out of going to get a Switch, but I was like, had it pulled up on my phone, like at Target. I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and order it. Needless to say, I told Dustin, like, let's split it so I can, from my hard-earned money that I have made on Poshmark, I was just gonna buy the whole thing, but let's at least split it so that I can like buy my part of it. It's all the same money. Dustin bought it for me. So here is my Nintendo Switch Lite, and it's the coral color. It's so cute, and I'm so glad that I like waited on Dustin, because when I was looking, I did not even know that this color existed, and I was just gonna get, I think the other one was called like, I don't remember the name of the color, but it was like green, green blue, and I was like, yeah, that one will do. But this one's so dang cute. And of course, the game that is in here is Animal Crossing. So we got both. We got Animal Crossing and the Lite. I love Animal Crossing, and fun fact, I'm not like a huge gamer on a lot of games, but Yoshi, Animal Crossing, and like Sims, those kind of games are my jam. I'm gonna throw in something that I bought myself, but it just goes too perfectly with this. So obviously I have my cute hat, I have my Switch, I have the game. I'm thinking I might make one little corner of my filming room downstairs like an Animal Crossing corner, because I love it that much. And me and Dustin went to Target a couple days ago, and I was like, what is that? Look at KK Slider on his little log. I love KK Slider, and I keep seeing t-shirts with him on it, and then I can't ever find them when I am like going to order them, but I really want one of those. So he's obviously super cute. Could not have him. He was the last one at Target, and for some reason at Target he was like $14.99, and I had a birthday thing to use and like a couple other points, so I got him for a little cheaper. But everywhere else he was like super mega expensive, like almost $20. So when I figured that out, I was like, yeah, I'll go ahead and get him now. So my dad came up to spend the weekend with me a couple weekends ago, and I was opening my gift that was from him, my brother, and my grandmother, and I was so shocked. I literally pulled the box out that clearly said on it what it was, and I said, "What's in this box?" And my dad was like, because I just really wasn't expecting it. So I got an iPad. Wasn't expecting that. I think I mentioned to Dustin like a few times how nice it would be on Poshmark, which you guys may or may not know. If you're new here, you wouldn't know. I recently left my job to pursue a few other things, and one of them is Poshmark full-time, which has been super successful and fun for me. But I typically look at Poshmark on my phone because I have like kind of an older computer. And anyways, I had just mentioned a few times it would be nice to have an iPad for Poshmark. I think it would make working on it a lot easier. And I also think it would be so like fun and romantic, whether it's like a date kind of night or just like a me self-care kind of night, to have a bath tray in our garden tub, set up the iPad with like a television show, a YouTube video, music, a movie on Netflix, literally like whatever, and just like let it be. So that being said, I was like, I am in shock. Thank you so much. This is such a huge gift that, you know, I always stress that like I don't need anything, and this was definitely not a need, and it was a very surprising gift to get. So I was super, super, super grateful for that. If you guys know where to get a cute and very protective case, let me know. We went to Best Buy, Office Depot, Target, and it seems like somewhere else. And all of the cases, I was like, first of all, these are outrageous. They're literally like the most basic cases for like $50 at the minimum. And I was like, I'm not doing this. So I've seen a couple online, but I'm just like nervous to do a lot with it. I feel like I've been using it a lot, but I'm like, every time I pick it up, because I'm like, don't drop it. And it has all these big cameras on the back, if you guys can tell. So I'm really nervous to drop it. Obviously it's not gone near my bathtub. I hate the time change because it's 4:22 and it's like not dark, but it's actually kind of like cozy feeling right now that I think about it. It's nice and cloudy, but it almost looks rainy. The gifts that I got from my mother-in-law and my father-in-law. First of all, I just love my mother-in-law's ability to like come up with good gifts, but also like wrap them in a way that just the gift wrapping itself is a gift. So how stinking cute is this little box? My battery's about to die. Has a little bow on top. So I'm gonna use that for storage just in and of itself. But she got me this blanket that is right up my alley for the living room, just like a buffalo check, and then on the end it is fringe. This is from Pier 1, which our store just closed, very sad. And she got me this shirt that I am like, I wore it literally the second day I had it. It's called More Saturdays. It says More Saturdays, and it's from No Comment. It is literally like the softest shirt ever. I don't know what this material is, but it's so comfy. I'm like in love with it. And then she actually got me a sign that I left over here. The last thing that she got me was this cute little sign that says welcome to our pumpkin patch, and it's like iron and leather. Super, super cute. This one I think is from Hobby Lobby or Joann's maybe. Oh yeah, Joann's. Super, super cute. And I'll probably keep that out through Thanksgiving because pumpkins are Thanksgiving in November too. This is Sarah from the future. I knew I was forgetting a few things. So one other thing that I got myself is this little case. It obviously has peaches on it. I love it so much. I needed a new one, and I thought, what better case than to have peaches for my peaches. The other thing I got was this weighted blanket from my brother-in-law, my future sister-in-law. It is so plush and comfy, and it's 12 pounds, I think. And I highly recommend this. Anybody that has anxiety, it helps so much. This is from Room Essentials, and I think they got it at Target. This I ordered for myself, but it came packaged super cute, and it did include a little extra goodies. This is from Stayed on Earth, which I've talked to you guys about before. It's my friend's bath bomb company. She's super hardworking and always is coming out with new stuff. So I ordered these that are called bath teas. They're foaming bath teas. I've never tried these before, so I'm really excited to. I think I'm gonna try one tonight. And I got Quality, like T-E-A, of Life, which is peppermint is what caught my eye about that one because Dustin likes that smell, and lavender too. And then date night, which is hibiscus, jasmine, and rose. So you just put these little like packs in the water, I think, and maybe like squeeze them to make them foam. I'm not sure, but I'm really excited to try. She gifted me, I think, now it's been a little while. I was really like, I cannot use this stuff until I show it in a video. So now I can't remember. I know I ordered those. And then I think I ordered one of these and one other bath bomb. And I think the rest she just gifted me. But this is Applejack, which I think is the one that I got. It's a bar soap and it's juicy apple, cinnamon, brown sugar, and brown butter. And it smells so good and it's super, super cute. And then this one is like my favorite. I always want to call this something different, but it's Pink Lady, I think. It smells so good. It's like, that's how good. Then I wanted this. This is Toasted Ghost. And I think she did this one last year, or maybe she had called it something different. But it's smoky sandalwood, brown sugar, roasted marshmallows, and tonka. And tonka is like my favorite scent ever. And I just am obsessed. I have this bad thing I've realized about bath bombs, especially from her, where if I get them, I just like lay them out in the bathroom to smell up the whole place. And I end up not using them for a long time. But it's like, I want to enjoy them for even longer. Then this little guy here, I forget the name of this one. Crunchy Leaves, I think was what this one was called. And needless to say, I'm going to be taking a bath tonight because now that I've showed these. And then this one is a moisture bomb, which I love from her because it's 2 bath bombs and then like shea butter in the middle. So it's really hydrating after you take a bath with these. And then lastly, she just gifted me this little guy here. Not little guy, huge guy. I'm really excited too because she just revamped her shower steamies, and the shower steamies are probably one of my favorites from her because you put them at the bottom of your shower. There's one that has peppermint and a lot of other like minty kind of smells to it. I think it's spearmint, peppermint, and something else. And it just is so good for sinuses. And then one that has wild orange in it. So I'm gonna be buying those next. But that is from her, which is a perfect transition into stuff I bought for myself. So I actually saw Stayed on Earth post about this company, and it is called El Moss Company. It's a candle company. And I think she has wax melts as well. But this one I got, it's an all natural soy candle, soy wax. And this one's from the fall collection. It's Toasted Pumpkin and Spice. And I have burned this already so much, if you guys can tell. I just like, I'm terrible about putting the lids back on my candles to extinguish the flame. She has a couple other ones that I really want to try. I'll try to leave her a page down below. She's in Atlanta, Georgia, so she's like super local to me. But I really enjoyed this candle. It has a great smell, and it really smells up the room without it being overpowering. I don't get headaches or anything like that from that candle either, which does occasionally happen to me. So I'm excited to try some more from her. I have always thought these shoes are so ugly, and then I saw them in person and I was like, I still can't tell if they're ugly, but I bought them. I thought about taking you guys like thrifting with me one day because I'm the queen of thrift finds. So I got these Fila like dad sneakers. I don't know what the technical name is for them. I don't know. I really like them and I've worn them a lot, but I found them new with their tags still on them, and I think I bought them for like $12 from a consignment store. Another great thrift find, I feel like. I thought this was so cute. So it's a Betsy Johnson sequin cheetah print bag, and I got this at the thrift store for I think $4. The only thing about it is it does have some damage to its handles, which I'm learning how to fix this, but it doesn't really affect that much. And I just thought it was so cute, so me. Recently picked up this Voluminous Lash Paradise Primer from L'Oreal again. So this officially makes like 5 times repurchasing this. This is the mascara primer. It's so good. I love the way that it smells. It smells like roses. And I just feel like after you use it, if you just use mascara, it never feels or looks the same afterwards. So highly recommend that. I also picked these up from CVS, and this is just from a brand called About Face. It's these facial razors that literally will slice and dice you. They're like a straight edge razor in there, literally. And it comes with 3 in a pack. They were only like $5 or $6. The first time I used them, I like took it out and I was like, dang, this is like a barber kind of tool. And it's a little scary, but I love doing that on my cheeks because I have so much fuzz, and on my forehead and everywhere else. So I just needed new ones, and these were the ones that they had, so wish me luck that I don't cut myself. Okay, I have some clothing things and then we're actually done. Again, queen of thrift. Sometimes I just like big t-shirts or like sweaters or like comfy stuff from the thrift store. I don't know why I tend to gravitate? I don't know why I tend to gravitate toward stuff like that. But I love this Red Sox t-shirt that I got for like, I don't know, $2. Really, there's nothing to say about it other than I just like t-shirts. I got this shirt that I like a lot from the thrift store as well. It was a couple bucks, I don't remember exactly how much, but it just says Champion all over it. I think it's super cute, and I would actually love some sweatpants that match this. I've seen that they have sweatpants that match it, and I think that would be a whole outfit. And then this is the last like big clothing thing that I got. I wasn't gonna pick it up, and then I saw it and I was like, so it just says Peachy. This is from Forever 21. I'm not sure how long ago, but it's like really distressed. It has like holes in the front of it, if you can tell, and it's all distressed around the collar and the sleeves, but I just thought too perfect for me. The last thing I think that I got, is this the last thing? Wow, okay. I don't know if I've been under a rock, if everybody else knows, if I'm like about to open your eyes, I don't know. Victoria's Secret robes are the best robes, and I'm like a robe gal. You guys should know that about me. So I got this with some birthday coupons that I had gotten from them, and it's just like a cheetah print robe. The back I couldn't even tell online, and you can't tell really in person, but it does say Victoria's Secret. This is the most comfortable robe, and I really thought I might not like it because it's a shorter length and I like a longer length robe. But when I first got this, I wore it for 3 days straight, which I'm afraid sounds like I wore it a few times for 3 days, like for a couple minutes. I literally wore this for 3 days straight, like from the time I woke up until I went to bed. It is so comfortable and so warm, and it's not like too warm that you get hot. It's nice and roomy, although I did get like a medium large. Yeah, I got a medium large because I wanted it to be a little roomier, but best purchase ever. That's the whole thing. The sun is officially setting. I hope that you guys like to see all this stuff. I love hauls. Hauls are like my favorite thing on YouTube, I think. Probably like my top 3 favorite kind of videos to watch. And yeah, that is everything I got for my birthday and everything I have gotten for myself recently. I thought about doing like a recent, like a favorite video, because I haven't done one of those in a long time either. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, give this video a thumbs up and let me know. I am going to finish the rest of my hot chocolate and probably cozy up and watch some TV. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.